Talking to your crush can be intimidating at first, but with the right questions and tips, you can keep the conversation going smoothly. Sharing funny stories, sending memes, and cracking jokes are all great for breaking the ice, and laughter will keep the conversation flowing in a lighthearted way. Talking about yourself is also a good way to keep the conversation going, as your crush may jump in with shared interest or similarities between the two of you. Discussing favorite movies or playing games like Would You Rather are fun topics that can start lively debates and keep the banter alive. Asking about their day or posing other open-ended questions are also surefire ways to prompt your crush to slowly open up and keep the conversation engaging and enjoyable as you learn more about each other. Remember to be sincere and show genuine interest in what they have to say to foster a strong connection.